Let us create our first React application. The first thing you need is to have Node.js installed on your machine. You will need Node.js to use npm, which is a package manager that we will use throughout the course. Check if you have Node.js installed. Just go to the command prompt and type node space -b. As you can see, I have version 16.17.0 installed. If you have the same version or higher, then you should be fine. Otherwise, I recommend installing the latest version. In case you do not have Node.js already installed on your machine, or you have an older version, just go to nodejs.org. Download and install Node.js, and you should be ready to go. You will find the link to the Node.js download website in the description below. The second thing you need is a code editor. My favorite code editor is Visual Studio Code, which you can download by visiting code.visualstudio.com. You will also find a link to the VS Code download website in the description below. Now that everything is ready, we can create a new React project. So let's go to the command prompt and type the following: npx create React app, and then we type the name of the project. So I'm going to call my project my app, my-app. Then press enter. Creating the app may require a few minutes. Once the application is created, change directory into the My App folder. cd My App. To run our application, we need to type npm start and hit enter. This command will launch a web server at the address http localhost port 3000, which you can see here. If we copy the address of the server into our browser, then we can see our React application. Congratulations, you've created your first React app. In the next video, I will be explaining the structure of a React application, and we will create our first component. See you then.